The police continue to keep a close watch on Marchpen Road in St. Catherine even after a 48-hour curfew was due to be lifted this evening. A physical education teacher was the latest person to be killed in an ongoing feud between warring sections of the community. We visited the Ascot High School where he taught for over a decade. An eerie silence filled the hallways of Ascot High School on Monday. Perhaps a reflection of the mood of staff and students at the Portmore St. Catherine-based institution. Physical education teacher of a little over 15 years, Roshane Beckford, otherwise called Pancho, was murdered hours after he left school Friday. According to police reports, upon arriving home in a community called Africa, the 35-year-old educator received a call that a family member was in distress in Marchpen, St. Catherine. When he got to the location, he was pounced upon by gunmen and was fatally shot. Principal of Ascot High School, Chanel Albert, says teachers are shocked and heartbroken.
I know he was at work on Friday and he left, said his goodbyes to some of his colleagues. He left, hoping to see him today, but as you would be aware, that it is not going to be so.
The school, he says, is providing the necessary interventions.
This morning we are having a session with the teachers and other members of staff to process the death of our colleague. And we have counselors from the Ministry of Education who are present and other well-wishers and supporters from other schools who have come in to give us their encouragement.
Normal classes were suspended Monday. Only students sitting external exams were present. Internal exams are scheduled to begin in the week.
We are processing with the staff first, and then once we process the news with the staff, we will now create support for our students when they come in.
The police point to tension between Africa in Marchpen and the section where the teacher was killed. They surmise the murder is as a result of the ongoing feud between Africa and other sections of Marchpen Road.